This is for our ongoing class. We're working on Sentimental Journey, and this is a play-along video where I'm adding several of the chord progression substitutions that we've come up with. And we are throwing a solo in between verse 3 and bridge 2, and all we're playing are the chords in verse 3. And I'm just going to show you how I'm switching to a finger picking motif. I'm just finger picking the chords that we're playing. You can do the chord progressions or just stay on the G chord. That's absolutely fine. And all the notes that we're picking in the chord are good. You can mess around with them. Just stay in the pocket. And that's what I'll be doing on the solo for us. And we're in the key of G, and we're doing it at 80 beats per minute, pretty slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna take a sentimental journey. I'm gonna set my heart at ease. I'm gonna make a sentimental journey to renew old memories. Got my back, got my reservations. Spent each dime I could afford. Like a child in wild anticipation, long to hear that all aboard. 7, that's the time we leave at 7. I'll be waiting up for heaven, counting every mile of railroad track that takes me back. Never thought my heart could be so yearning. Why did I decide to roam? Gonna take a sentimental journey, sentimental journey home. Now solo. Seven, that's the time we leave at 7. I'll be waiting up for heaven, counting every mile of railroad track that takes me back. Never thought my heart could be so yearning. Why did I decide to roam? Gonna take a sentimental journey, sentimental journey home, sentimental journey